We have this other one. Humanity's last code exam. Can advanced LLMs conquer humans' hardest code competition? So they created a set of problems in this study in order to determine whether LLMs could actually compete with like Olympian level code. Through our comprehensive evaluation, we observed that even the strongest reasoning LLMs, O4 Mini High and Gemini 2.5 Pro, achieve pass rates of only 15.9% and 11.4% respectively. Meanwhile, we propose a self-recognition task to measure LLM's awareness of their own capabilities because it was the only way that they could get any amount of improvement, and the improvement was not significant. So again, looking at the pass rate of this kind of test, like right here on the low end here, the reason why they didn't use these other benchmarks is because they found that the LLM models are usually overfitted for these benchmarks in order to get these pass rates. So they went, well, fine, if people are going to overfit their models to make these things pass, how about we create our own set of Olympian level code benchmarks and see what actually happens. And the pass rates are terrible. DeepSeek, OpenAI 03, OpenAI 04, and Gemini 2.5 Pro barely cracking 15% on the high end. First of all, the benchmarks are BS. And second of all, these things cannot code the way that you think they can code. As a bare minimum default, you should just absolutely avoid using AI for code. Just stop it. Because the amount of effort that you're going to spend in using these systems in order to code and then having to go back and fix the bugs and issues that are presented in them, just here we go. Okay. And having to check its output, it's not worth it. At that point, why not just code it yourself? I know the promise is there, the sweet, sweet promise that you don't have to put in the effort yourself, all that boring work that now you don't have to do because an AI system can do it for you. No, it can't. Just stop. Just don't use them. Just go learn to do the thing yourself or do it yourself. The benefits are going to far outweigh the costs, and you're going to do it much better than an LLM can anyways. For a vast majority of cases, very few cases will you get good output. And this is what I was talking about, the costs. They had to stop the experimentation of the LLM models with the performance benchmarks of these, Olympian level code questions because the costs were getting too high. They spent $1,790.06, and they essentially said, well, okay, I guess we have to end it here because we can't afford to run this scientific test anymore. What did we get for almost $2,000? Just one more piece of proof that these models cannot do what they promise you to do.